All right, so I want to talk about the topic of just write great content and you will rank with SEO. I'm in a Google SEO mastermind group on Facebook, just tons of members in there, and someone was newer and they were asking, how do I start with SEO? Where do I go? And someone told them to go read Google guidelines. And they came back and commented and said, I'm just reading a bunch of stuff about, just create great content. And everyone's like, yeah, just go create great content. I wish I had a screenshot of the thread. Which, look, you want to create great content. Before I get into this, create good content. It's going to help. But when it comes down to it, that's not how you rank. What helps spread this narrative is all the big sites, the big SEO sites like, the reporting sites, Moz, SEO Journal, they can write great content and just rank off great content. But they're not necessarily ranking because it's great content. They're ranking because they have authority. And that's really how Google does their search results, is they mix proper on-page SEO with proper authority. When it comes down to it, it has very little to do with the quality of your content. If you've been in this game a while, you know that there's crap content all over the top rankings. Why is that? Because Google has a very hard time determining what is quality content and what is not. When it comes down to it, what determines quality content is authority, as long as you have your proper on-page SEO. And to help you understand this, I have two different kind of paragraphs here. So I'm going to read both. The first one is, the cat is lazy. He is also a black cat. He just sleeps all day long. The cat's name is Jim, and he is 10 pounds overweight. He needs to get off his butt and get some exercise and diet. The second one, Jim is a black cat who is extremely lazy, sleeping all day long. He never wants to play and constantly stuffs his face with both cat and human food. If he only learned how to get his butt up and exercise, he would be much healthier and not so fat. Oh, Jim, you lazy boy, when are you going to learn? So as a human, you read both of those paragraphs and it's very easy to determine which is better. But for an algorithm or a computer that doesn't have an opinion, how does an algorithm determine which of these is better? How does it determine which is better? Authority. So if this one right here, this site right here, has better on-page optimization than this one right here, and it has more authority, or look at authority as votes of confidence. So if this site right here, this content has 100 different referring domains out there pointing to it, giving that content votes of credibility, Google's going to think this content's better. Whereas if this one right here has 0 votes of credibility, they're going to think this is not as good. So they don't determine quality of content by reading your content and they understand it and they can read it and determine how good it is. It's an algorithm. They can't do that. Maybe sometime in the way distant future it can. Who knows? AI is changing very quickly, or changing things very quickly. But at this time, the algorithm cannot determine by itself which of these is the better paragraph. They determine it through authority, which again is votes of confidence from people around the web. If you have 100 votes of confidence for this one and 0 for this one's going to rank. Okay, this one, people are saying that this is the content they like better. So Google's going to rank that content as long as the on-page is correct. Now we can go back to my Delaware SEO example. This is, my test site that I have ranking number 1 for Delaware SEO. Horrible content. Not only horrible content, but horrible everything, right? There's no NAP, there's broken images, the content sucks. It's a horrible theme, no images, no structure, it's just horrible. I break all the SEO rules. How's this site ranking? Well, I do my on-page perfect, right? My on-page is pretty much perfect as far as keywords in right places. And on top of that, I have really strong links. I have links going here that are very strong. They're saying the right things. So that tells Google this is the best content for Delaware SEO. It's not, right? We know it's horrible content. I've multiple sites that I've shown you guys like this. But what's telling Google this is the votes of confidence. My content, even though it sucks, is being voted on more than the other content out there. And then, of course, that mixed with really good on-page optimization, which I teach with my fundamentals, comes together to get a number 1 ranking. It has nothing to do with the quality of my content because Google can't determine quality of content. They use us to determine quality content. The people. Are the people voting on this content? The more votes, the more people voting on this content, the more likely you are to be seen as the best content, as long as you have good on-page optimization. That is how SEO works. It's not Google going out and determining, is this quality content or not? They use us to determine that through authority, which are the votes of confidence. And then, of course, basic on-page optimization. The reason I want you to know this is because, again, this is one of those things, that narrative Google puts out, where people worry so much about creating like the best possible article they can. And I'm not saying you shouldn't do that necessarily. You want to have great content, right? Even though it's not necessarily important for immediate SEO rankings, you want to do it because it can help, right? People can find your content, naturally share it. It can do a lot for you to have good content. Also, it can help you with conversions and all that. But thinking you need to have like a super well-written content, that's what's going to get you to rank, is complete bullshit. Yeah, Moz, Search Engine Journal, all these major authority sites, they can just focus on writing great content because they have high authority. I have clients who, are $100 million a year, or even I got one client in the billions a year. For them, I can focus on just creating good content. I don't got to worry about everything else because they have the authority. Right? When you have the authority, yeah, you don't got to worry about that. But for all of us little guys that don't have authority, even me who buys really powerful age domains, I still can't just rely on creating quality content and expecting to rank. It's not the way it works. Could you be a rare case where you create a really, really good article and it gets picked up and it takes off? Yeah, but the chances are slim. How are people going to find it? Right? You're going to have to do a lot of work behind that. What I want you to understand is just creating quality content on its own is going to do virtually nothing for your SEO in most cases. It has to end up being picked up and linked to and all that type of stuff, which doesn't happen often. There's billions of articles on the web, probably trillions of articles at this point. The chance of yours getting found without doing other stuff is very slim, right? Unless you're doing a lot of work to behind that. Just simply writing quality content is not going to get you to rank. Okay? So it's very important you understand that, because some people that they get into this narrative of, well, okay, I just have to write the the beginners, and they don't understand how it works. And they come in, they just focus on just creating quality content. I'm going to create the best content I can. They write 20 articles, takes them many months. They post them, nothing. And they're like, I don't understand. Like, I had the best content out there by far. Anyone that went to their site and read it would agree. Like, man, this is awesome. Why am I not ranking? Because Google doesn't know it's quality content. They can't come and just say, oh, this is really good content, man. We're going to rank this number one. Nah, they need other people to determine that for them. And if no other people have found that content or linked to that content, it's never going to rank. I can have a site like this that's complete garbage and outrank people with awesome content because I have better links. I have better votes of confidence. I have better on-page optimization. That's why when I teach SEO, I try to really focus on teaching people to focus on the basics, the fundamentals. Of course, common sense. You want to have good content, right? You don't want to create crappy content on purpose like I do for testing. You want to have good content, but understand that's not what's going to get you to rank. What's going to get you to rank is having the right keywords in the right places and then getting the right backlinks or the right authority. That's what's going to get you to rank. What's going to get you converting is really good content. What's going to get you a better chance of expanding even more is really good content. Okay, so understanding the difference between that can save you a lot of time if you're a beginner with SEO. It could, because some people just focus solely on creating the good content and nothing else, and they never get anywhere because they don't understand that that's kind of the narrative that Google's pushed out to fit their needs, right? They need good content in their search engines so people come back and use Google again. So of course they push out this narrative that, yeah, you got to have good content or we're not going to rank you. And most people believe it because they don't understand how the search engines work. So I just wanted to do this example to help you understand how Google works, right? This isn't about telling you to go out and create crappy content. Of course, create great content, but understand that alone will not get you to rank. And Google can't necessarily understand your content's great without other people's help, which are, backlinks and authority. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any video ideas, comment below, let me know, and I'll do it for you. Have a good one.